the capital at its best? Go digital. Experience crystal clear CD quality audio by simply putting on your earbuds. Tap the Radio Nation Philippines app, then choose FM2. Hear the difference today. Go digital. Download the Radio Nation Philippines app. Available for iOS and Android. Data charges may apply.
Dati, hanggang upa lang ang kaya namin. Buwan-buwan na bayad para sa bahay na di naman sa akin nakapangalan. Pero dahil sa tulong ng gobyerno at Pag-ibig Fund, ang dream kong sariling bahay maaabot na sa abot kayang buwan ng hulog. Ngayon, may disente na kaming bahay ng mga anak ko. Buwan-buwan pa rin ang bayaran. Pero sa akin na mapapangalan. Kaya apply na sa 4PH dahil ang susunod mong lipat sa sariling bahay mo na.
Magpa-member na sa Pag-ibig Fund at makipag-ugnayan sa inyong LGU para sa karagdagang detalye.
Time to celebrate kulturang Pinoy. Tradisyon, musika, sining, literatura at iba pa. Anything and everything fun and Filipino. Ito ang Pinoy Kultura. Sigaw ng mga debotong Katoliko sa tuwing pista ng Sinulog, Pit Señor or Viva Pit Señor, which means call on Señor Santo Niño, the Holy Infant Jesus, or Hail Lord, listen to our prayers. In 1521, Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan arrived in Cebu to spread Christianity. He handed the image of the Christ child or Santo Niño to Raja Humabot, who got baptized as King Carlos and his wife Queen Juana. Nagsimula ang pista ng Sinulog taong 1980 sa Cebu upang parangalan ang mahal na Santo Niño. Ang Sinulog ay nanggagaling sa salitang Cebuano, sulog, na ibig sabihin agos ng ilog sa Cebu, kung kaya't ang Sinulog dance ay atras abante. Tuwing ikatlong linggo ng Enero, isang babaeng bihis Reyna Juana ang umiindak hawak ang imahe ng Santo Niño sa magarbong parada ng Sinulog. Pinaniniwalaang milagroso ang Santo Niño at nakapagpapaalis ng masamang espiritu. Come to Sinulog Festival and see for yourself. You'll be amazed with the colorful and intricate costumes of performers. Yan ang Pinoy Kultura, because our culture is cool.
From the integrated news team of the Presidential Broadcast Service, here now is news you can use.
The Migrant Workers Department says they haven't received any reports of Filipinos affected in the massive floods in Brazil and Indonesia. Secretary Hans Kakdak says, though, that info was relayed to them by the DFA, as the DMW has no offices in the two countries. Meantime, migrant workers' offices in Taiwan are on high alert after the two quakes, 5.9s, that hit Monday. They do say there were no immediate reports of injuries among OFWs. A new Superman, a new suit. UPI says that's what DC Comics Pictures releases today. UPI has a photo shared on DC Comics social media shows the new Superman, David Cornsweet, putting his boots on. Variety says the first thing fans might notice is the suit is quite dirty and weathered, which suggests Superman will be doing plenty of down and dirty fighting in the movie. Superman opens in theaters July 11, 2025. I'm Grace for News You Can Use.
Keeping you informed and up to date from the Presidential Broadcast Service News Center of Radyo Pilipinas, Republica FM1, and Capital FM2.